Hello, my name is Sydney and I'm a mom and a content creator, and this morning it is 6:30 just about. I am going to try out my new Guize Face FX contour palette. I love that it literally comes with a guide to tell me how to do it, which is perfect for someone like me who doesn't do makeup too often, but I do have a couple video calls today, so wanted to look presentable and nice in my makeup. I do already have foundation on, mascara, filled in a little bit of my eyebrows, and that's where we are at this morning. Okay, here is my finished makeup look for today. I like that it still looks natural. I like that there's still a shine that gets picked up by the camera, which is super nice. But I have my meetings, I have to take care of my baby all day, doing a lot. So I will report back and let you know how it stays on. Okay, so it is almost 1 o'clock. You can see on my watch. And I came back in after meetings, after baby kisses and everything, to check on my makeup. And oh my gosh, I am so impressed that it has stayed. It looks amazing. So with that, I can highly recommend the Guize Face FX contour palette. It's amazing. What's super nice about it is that if you use one of these more than the other, I really like the highlight, you can just buy separate ones of these. So it ends up saving you money. You don't have to buy the whole palette again, which is nice when you need a refill. Super pigmented, shows up all over. If you're on camera, totally shows up. So highly recommend Guize Face FX contour palette. Go and grab yours today.